Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2017 Silverado. It's got the lift kit. It's got it all tricked out here. Monster truck. But anyway, we end up installing the Clifford 3305 to arm the system. You're gonna hit lock. Locks your doors. Well, basically grabbing the door handle and letting it go. Sounded off the first zone of the shock sensor. Disarm is here. Okay, unlock your doors. Give them the LED light here, right there in the corner of the windshield. Probably hard to see. Since the truck is so high up, if you're not like 6'4", you're not gonna see the LED light, so we put it in there, right there in that trim panel, so that way hopefully somebody can see it from the outside. If anybody bangs on the window, fire off the alarm. Gives you that little hammer right there that the alarm was triggered by shock sensor. If anybody tries to open the door, you know, Slim Jim the car, the alarm will fire off. To let you know that the alarm was triggered by door opening. This thing will give you a length of a football field. The batteries are AAA. And then down the road you can add the cellular module, which we highly recommend. With the app on the phone, you'll get the alerts in the phone anywhere in the United States. It has GPS, and then you can arm and disarm it from the app on your phone. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.